Hello, good morning in the Philippines and good afternoon here in Vancouver, Canada. So once again, this is Doc Franklin. I will show you one of my latest project here in Freeway Heavy Duty Shop. So I am doing right now with this international engine, Dt466. So I am doing complete engine rebuild on this type of engine. So as you can see at the back, uh, I already take out everything from the piston, liners, cylinder head, and everything. So I already sent the cylinder head for crack test or any damage for the cylinder head. So I already sent out so that it's really nice to know that the cylinder head that I'm planning to put in is already it's really good. So as you can see at my back, I already take out everything from the cylinder head and all the pistons and liners. So as you can see there, so I already take out everything, the pistons, liners, all the bulb tappet, connecting rod, and everything. So I am doing now the complete and thoroughly cleaning on this type of engine. So just tune in. I will show you everything from the scratch because I already take out this all of the parts of this type of engine. So I will show you everything on this one and all the specs on this type of engine. So just tune in on my channel, Doc Franklin, and I will show you everything. So this is the injectors that I already take out. I want to clean this one first and check every O-rings and washers so that it's ready to go as I want to install on these injectors. So this is the parts that I already take out everything. So this is the bulb cover. So I take out the liners, the pistons, and the bulb tappets, connecting rods, post rods, rocker arms. I want to clean this one first, and I want to make sure that all these parts I already take out, it's really good and no have worn out on this on this. So just tune in on my channel and I will show you everything that it's really by the specs or by the manual on this engine. I will show you the right procedure on doing a complete rebuild on this type of engine. So this is international engine, international trap. So this is the trap. See, this is the trap. It's really huge trap. So I'm planning to remove also these radiators and send outside for cleaning so that it's really good and peace of mind if you doing some major jobs like this. So be sure that everything from the cooling system, the oil lubrication system is really clean, thoroughly clean, so that no miss up when you already installed all the new parts and everything. So as you can see at the bottom of this engine, see, I already take out everything. So I take out from the lower, so the connecting rods, the oil pan, everything I already take out on this type of engine. So just tune in on my channel, Doc Franklin, and I will show you everything that you want, and you want, and you want to know on this type of engine. So just tune in and I will show you everything. So thank you so much for subscribing my channel, and hopefully you're gonna share these videos and click if you didn't subscribe yet. So please subscribe my channel, Doc Franklin, and I will show you everything that you want. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.